Hi, welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about 5 of the best ways to breastfeed your newborn. Learning these techniques is important for new moms because the right position makes feeding more comfortable and helps your baby latch better. And most of all, it's going to reduce reflux and other issues. So let's get started. Number 1, the cradle hold. Hold your baby's head in the crook of your arm while their body rests along your forearm. Keep the baby's nose level with your nipple and bring them to the breast, not the other way around. This position helps your baby feel secure and allows for close eye contact. It's comfortable for both of you and works well once the baby has learned to latch deeply. Number 2, the cross-cradle hold. Hold your baby across your body with the opposite arm supporting the head and neck, and use your hand to guide the baby to your breast. This gives you more control of the head and mouth, so you can encourage a deeper latch. It's especially helpful for newborns who are still learning to latch or when you need to correct a shallow latch. Number 3, the football hold. Tuck your baby under your arm beside your ribcage, supporting their neck and shoulders with your hand and their body along your side. Use a pillow behind your elbow if you need extra support. This position keeps weight off the abdomen, so it's great after a C-section, and it lets you clearly see and guide the baby's latch. It's also useful for small babies or those who have trouble aligning with the breast. Number 4, the side lying position. Lie on your side facing your baby. Pull the baby close so their mouth is level with your nipple, and use your lower arm to support them. This is excellent for night feeds or when you need to rest while the baby feeds. It reduces strain on your back and arms and helps both of you relax during feeding. Number 5, the laid-back or biological nurturing position. Lean back in a comfortable, well-supported recline and place the baby tummy down on your chest. Let the baby use natural rooting reflexes to find the breast and attach. Gravity and skin-to-skin contact encourage a deep, instinctive latch, and this position can be very soothing and effective for both mom and baby. Well, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. These positions can truly make breastfeeding easier, more comfortable, and more successful for both mom and baby. So please do share this video with anyone who might need it, and don't forget to follow, subscribe, and like this video as we bring helpful videos every now and then. Bye, see you next time.